You won't be disappointed. One giant delicious gata. What can I say? It's delicious. And with the fresh milled flour, it's awesome. It's amazing. It makes it kind of healthy in a way. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but you can taste the fresh wheat and it just makes it so much better. I highly recommend you make this. You won't be disappointed. It's a perfect snack. We have a fox over here that lives with us, and he's been coming out more and more lately. Let's see if I can get close to him to get a good video of him. I think he's pretty old. He just looks old for some reason to me. seems pretty calm, and I've been whistling. I think he may like music. See him here? I can get a little closer. Oh, maybe I'm scaring him. He's starting to take off. Anyways, I was over here looking at our little garden here, and that's how I saw the fox. I need to come over here and trim some of this basil, because when you get the flowers that you see right here, that means it's time to trim it. Otherwise, I think it'll start flowering and it'll stop growing at that level. That's regular basil, and over here is Thai basil. Let's see if I zoom in on the moon. It's almost a half moon, but interestingly, when you do a video like this, it's pretty blurry. So it makes me wonder, when people are doing UFO videos, are they pretty blurry as well? We're going walking tonight. I can't get the moon to come in that clear. But it's a strawberry moon, because this is when you harvest strawberries. We got another gift today from one of our viewers from the Jeff Mara podcast, and it's from our Amazon wish list. I think it's another rug. There isn't a receipt anywhere to tell us who sent it to us. There's no name. It's a doormat, and I guess the company is Santa Monica. Or no, I think the company is Jonathan Y, and this particular mat is called Santa Monica. Here it is. So whoever sent this to us, thank you very much. And here's where we put our new doormat. I think she's already seeing us through the window.
Yeah.
It's making her scared. We're going to Buc-ee's, the world's greatest gas station. There's no pets allowed. Nika and I are just going to have to wait outside until everybody gets finished. We parked on the side, so I came in through the side door, and this place is so big you basically can't even see the other side of the store. This place is insanely huge. Look at all these different types of cotton candy. And here we have beaver nuggets. And the restrooms are amazing.
Brisket on board! Brisket on board!
Check out this triple meat sandwich. So many delicious desserts.
Wow, it looks delicious.
They're making candied nuts. And look at all this fudge they have.